Here's how to make one-page landscape in Microsoft Word without rotating your whole document. Changing page orientation can rotate the entire document. Word changes orientation by section, not by page. To make one-page landscape, highlight the table, chart, or block that needs extra width. If the page is blank, add sample text and highlight it. Open the Layout tab, then open Page Setup. Set Orientation to Landscape. Then in Apply To, choose Selected Text. Click OK. Word Insert section breaks automatically, and only that selected area turns into a landscape. If you want the entire document in landscape, open Layout, click Orientation, and choose Landscape. The whole document rotates, and no section breaks are required. That's it. You've learned how to make one page and the entire document landscape. Like this video and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials.